walking at this place. I took a picture of the sign. I don't know what it's called right now, but I'll put the name in the description or at the bottom of the frame here. I'm going to walk up to the end up here, and we're still walking and picking them up, putting them down as usual here for M1 Man Travel. There's the Sea of Cortez down there. So howdy. Coming up here, I got a palm that's not doing too well there, and we got a little fishy, a dolphin here, carved out of something. Sonora experience in Validables. I guess it's an unforgettable experience, I guess, there. So yeah, gotta watch it. Couple steps coming up here. Kid doesn't want to fall. Breeze picking up. A little breezy here. Coming out to the point. Coming out to the point here. Here we go. We're almost to the point. We're going to take in the view out here, and I guess they put the little spikies on here so people don't sit up here. I guess a couple people have fallen down, but yeah, we'll take in the view here. Take in the view. There it is. It's a little boat out in the water. Yeah, come around here. On this side here is the rocks. Cactus up there. And we look down below. There's all the water down there, swirling and churning. And little birdies down there, coming down here too. Yeah, there it is down here. So yeah, it's coming down. All right. So we're coming down there. Yeah, I'm here. I'm right here in the midst of all this here, and it's right up on top of me there. So I'm not going to sit on the edge because you'll fall down there. But yeah, come back over here and one man here down in old Mexico here, San Carlos area here. So okay, don't forget to subscribe. It's always good. Over 1,000 videos here for your entertainment, whatever. All right, bye bye friends. Well, we're going to come over here and look at the old fishies here. You got a little dolphin here. You got a couple dolphins over there. You got this one here. I've seen these in a number of different places here. And we're going to see what the sign says here. And there's the old dolphin. We got a little lady on the front of it there. She looks pretty nice here. Here's the artist, the information on it there. September 2020 here. Yeah, come up here, take a closer look. There's a little lady. She looks pretty nice there. Yeah, like a dolphin mermaid or something there. Who knows here. But yeah, there you go. A number of them there. So, okay. All right. Here's where we were just at here. Bahia Esmeralda. Bahia, I guess, is like a beach or something. I thought a playa was a beach. There's our bus just started up there. There's more cactus on the hill over there that you see. So, okay, here we go.